I'm coming.
Why don't you look at the map?
Go to Howie Hum's Ancient Highway.
That's not a beaver dam. Beaver weed.
Dad, can you go to Howie Hum's Ancient Highway?
No, we were just there.
Really?
Yeah.
Or Liquid Larry! There's a Liquid Larry!
Uh-huh.
Guys, 1 second! If that doesn't work, there's a Liquid Larry!
Okay. What are you doing?
Floating Philly.
We'll put you guys on YouTube.
No.
Oh my god, you brought that thing.
Don't hit the sign.
Let's go to Wet Wendy's. We're gonna get lost. Is that where we're supposed to go? You're putting us on YouTube! Sweet!
Careful.
Hi, and this is our web show episode called Hiking in Riverbend. Are we lost?
I'm de-hauling you great.
Here lies a Native American hunter.
Stop with the screaming.
You know what? We probably have to go back where we came from when we came to all these things.
Why?
And then there must be another town before that. Watch out for the string.
Watch out for the string, everybody. You don't want to trip and fall face flat. If you probably stupid string. I think the string is guiding us where we're supposed to go. The string is guiding us where we're supposed to go. Dirty days! Dirty days! We're back to dirty days. We're lost.
Did we walk that way?
Yes, we did. I
We
think
walked down that way.
Right, Lucy?
And we ended up in a dead end.
Yeah.
At least according to Kumula.
Yeah.
Believe him.
Well,
hopelessly
well,
lost.
Wendy-
Is that a flip camera?
Yeah.
I think we should go
Oh,
back.
dang, I want one. How much does that cost?
$100.
$100 where?
I think. I don't know.
Amazon.
Amazon.
I mean, look how utterly useless
Well,
this
I'm
map is.
de-hauling
Did
this
we come
tiny
from
squid.
here? We're lost. Come on.
It's hopeless.
I
Right.
de-hauled
Let's
the
go back
tree.
there and see if we find something more straight.
Come on, let's go back that way.
There's nothing there. We have to go back where we came from.
Yeah, none
Try
of
to
these
find a new
lead
bigger.
anywhere.
They take you in a
That's
circle.
jars and signs.
Well, remember when he said the circle path? This is probably the circle path.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You know, there's secret documents
Private.
in there.
That's why they put it there.
Don't step in there. It's
What's in
already-
there?
All right, let's go.
Secret documents.
Let's go that way.
Flashing girls.
People, let's go. We're never going to get out of this place.
There were binders.
What's all this?
This way. No.
There's a club at the middle school who just bought like 3 of those. I want one of those. They're cool. Hey, clicks on the ground. God. No, don't, Alex. Oh, you started it. Oh, there's that one right
Let's go
there.
that way. Pull them out. You lead.
Go that way.
Go to the
This way.
right. Somebody lead.
Let's go this
Which
way.
way did we come from?
Tree
That way.
branches. Careful.
Jump in that way.
Okay, from that way, we should have went down here.